Hi guys, good morning. For our lunch guys, magluluto ako ng fish porridge guys. So, these are the ingredients that we need for our fish porridge. We need a normal rice, half cup, and glutinous rice. So, magkuha lang ako ng konting glutinous rice guys. Tapos, i-mix ko sa normal rice. Then we will wash our rice guys for a moment. Higasan muna natin. So, ayan yung isda na gagamitin ko guys. It is called here batang fish. Pero sa tingin ko ito yung yellowfin or tulingan. Maybe, I'm not sure. But over here, they call it batang fish. So, yan yung gagawin kong panghalo sa porridge. So, mamaya, dinidepose ko muna siya kasi medyo matigas pa. So, now, we're going to put water. Tapos, we're going to boil this until lumambot yung para magiging siya, congee. So, ayan. So, ilagay na natin siya sa stove. I-boil. Pa natin. So, ayan. We will wait first, guys. So, see you later. Siya nga pala, guys. Maglalagay din ako ng dried scallop. This one is optional. Kung wala kayong dried scallop, pwedeng wala. Pero, kasi sila dito meron. So, maglalagay ako ng dried scallop. Ayan siya, guys. So, ilalagay natin. For our fish guys, i-marinate natin siya ng salt, pepper, and corn flour. Then pepper. Then konting corn flour. Then, i-mix lang natin guys. So, i-leave lang natin siya ng few minutes. So, then, maglalagay din ako ng sliced ginger, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, wow. Lagay natin. By the way, guys, magluluto din ako ng fried garlic for the toppings later. So, ayan. Ipa-fry ko na yan. So, guys, ready na po yung porridge natin para ilagay yung fish natin. So, ilalagay na natin yung isda. So, ayan. So, ayan, haluin lang natin, guys. So, lutuin lang natin saglit yung isda, guys. Huwag natin i-overcook. So, takpan muna natin. Then, ang ating garnishing, guys, is spring onion and our fried garlic. And also pepper. So, mamaya, maglalagay ako ng salt for the seasoning. So, mamaya na lang. So, maglalagay na tayo ng salt, guys. Tapos, haluin natin ulit. Alright guys, luto na po yung fish porridge natin. So, patayin na natin. And then, kukuha tayo kasi kakain na tayo guys. Because it's already past 12 in the afternoon. And spring onion. So, ayan na guys. Kain tayo. Yan yung lunch namin. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.
Wow.